Hello everyone, welcome back to TechGuide Japan. If you are planning to move to Japan or you are already living here and struggling to find a room, then this video is specially made for you. Searching for a room in Japan can feel very confusing. There are too many websites, everything is in Japanese, and sometimes you don't even know which site you should trust. So today, I will share 5 of the most useful apps and websites to search for rooms in Japan. Please watch till the end because I will tell you which one I personally think is the best option and why. Let's start the video. The first one is Sumo. Sumo is one of the biggest and most popular real estate website in Japan. Almost every real estate company or Fudosan uses Sumo to post their room listings. That means when you search on Sumo, you are not checking just one company, you are checking many different Fudosan at the same time, which gives you a lot more choices. Sumo is available both as website and as a mobile app, so you can use it on your phone or computer. You can search rooms by area, by train station, by rent, by room size, and even by how old the building is. Most of the site is in Japanese, but if you use Google Translate, it becomes more easier. Once you get used to it, Sumo becomes a very powerful tool. The second one is Leo Palace. Leo Palace is a little different from other sites because most of the rooms are managed by Leo Palace itself. Many of their apartments come already furnished, so this is very helpful for people who want to move in quickly or don't want to buy furniture immediately. Leo Palace is also available as both a website and a mobile app. It is often used by students, new workers, or people who just arrived in Japan. However, the rooms are usually small and you should always check the full contract details before signing. Leo Palace is convenient, but it may not be the cheapest option for everyone. Next is Eiburu, also known as Able. Eiburu is another well-known real estate company in Japan. People like Eiburu because the search feels simple and the response from agents is usually quick. You can browse rooms online and then contact an agent directly for more information. Eiburu also has both a website and a mobile app. Like many Japanese real estate sites, it is mainly in Japanese, but with translation tools, it is still usable. If you prefer talking to an agent early in the process instead of searching alone, Eiburu can be the good choice. The fourth one is Homes, also called Liful Homes. Homes is very helpful if you are still deciding where to live. It allows you to compare different areas and even see average rent prices around certain stations. It is useful if you are new in Japan and don't yet understand which areas are expensive and which are more affordable. Homes is available as a website and as a mobile app, and the interface feels clean and modern. Like Sumo and Eiburu, it is mostly in Japanese, but many people find it easier to understand once they start using it regularly. The fifth one is Gaijinport Apartments. Gaijinport is especially made for foreigners living in Japan. The biggest advantage is that it is in English, and many of the listings are foreigner friendly. This makes it a good starting point if your Japanese level is still low. Gaijinport mainly works as a website rather than a full app, and the number of listings is smaller compared to Japanese site. Some rooms may also be more expensive, but for beginners, it helps reduce stresses and confusion. Before I tell you my final recommendation, here is one important thing to remember. In Japan, new room listings appears every day and good rooms disappear very fast. It is always better to check multiple websites and compare. Also, never send money before you properly contact the real estate company and confirm everything. Now, as I promised, my best overall recommendation, if I had to choose one website, I would choose Sumo. The reason is simple. Sumo lets you search rooms for many different real estate companies in one place. You get more options, better comparisons, and more chances to find a room that matches your budget and location. Even though it is in Japanese, once you learn how to use it, it becomes the strongest tool for searching room in Japan. So these were the top 5 apps and websites to find rooms in Japan. If you want, I can make a separate video showing step by step how to use Sumo or any other app from the list. Please comment below and tell me which one you want. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe to TechGuide Japan, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.